Dr. Malkin, how do you choose a dentist?
So if you're going for just regular cleanings and you don't have any major issues with the teeth, you can go somewhere where it's convenient for you. However, if you require extensive treatment that often takes a long time, even up to a year or longer than a year, this question becomes very important. So in addition to obvious things such as checking credentials and reviews of the practice, another important factor is that the owner dentist is either doing your treatment or closely supervising a team of specialists. Because when you have a long-term treatment that takes long time, over 12 or even more months, you want to make sure that your treating dentist doesn't leave in the middle of the treatment. Because when you're treated by someone who is hired by the practice, you don't know their plans. They might leave in the middle of the treatment, and that can be very disruptive to your overall treatment. So if you have an owner dentist either doing the treatment or supervising a team of specialists, this type of thing will not happen. Also, you want to make sure about the fact that if something happens in the future, if you have any complications, that the person who actually did your treatment will address your complications, and it's within the scope of the treatment. So you have to be comfortable not only with the treating dentist, but also with the practice. And you want to make sure that the practice is very transparent about treatment plans, what's included into the treatment plan, how complications are handled, what kind of prices are for the complications, how insurances and financing is handled in the practice.